I've always wanted to try this viral instant ramen, and today is the day. Let's just hope it doesn't burn twice. To do this instant ramen justice, you've got to start by taking everything out of the packaging. Yep, even the crumbs. You'll want those later for a satisfying crunch. Next up, boil an egg for exactly 6 minutes. We want that perfect jammy yolk, and finally chop some scallions for that fresh kick. Once that's done, drop the noodles into boiling water and cook for 5 minutes. About halfway through, scoop out a bit of the noodle water. We'll need that for the sauce. Now, in a bowl, let the magic begin. Mix some of mayonnaise, 1 egg yolk, the dried seasoning, and that hot red sauce from the second packet. Stir it all together until smooth and creamy, then add the hot noodle water and give it another mix. Drain the noodles. Don't overdo it, just get rid of the excess water, and toss them into the bowl. Now coat those noodles in your luscious, spicy, umami-packed sauce until they're glistening and fully covered. Top it all off with your soft-boiled egg. Sprinkle on the chopped scallions for that burst of color and freshness. And finally, don't forget those crispy crumbs from the packet. Gotta have that crunch. And there you have it, your own bowl of viral instant ramen glory. Now let me tell you, that first bite hits hard. It burns in the best way. After that, you go numb. Unless, well, you know, the next day has its own surprises.